Sync your documents and take control of your workflow wherever you go. We've all been there starting a document on our desktop, only to realise we're stuck on something that could easily be solved with our phone, like creating a signature using its touchscreen. Each device has its own strengths, but making the most of them can be challenging, especially when it means constantly juggling files between devices and double checking to make sure you're not working on an outdated version. Wouldn't it be great if we could just skip all that hassle? Well, that ends today. Hi everyone, I'm Chris and welcome back to the official PDFelement YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to sync your documents so they're always updated and ready for you no matter what device you're using. Alright, let's start from the beginning. What does syncing actually mean, and why is it considered the ultimate way to connect all our devices into one seamless, hassle-free workflow? Well, the idea is pretty simple. Instead of saving your documents directly on each device, we can save them through the PDFelement Cloud storage feature, which is linked to our personal Wondershare account, allowing us to access our files from virtually any device as long as it's connected to the cloud, without having to manually transfer anything. It sounds pretty useful, right? But it does get even better. What if I told you there's a simple trick in PDFelement for desktop that you can use to keep your files automatically synced, so you can access them easily from your mobile or any other device without even having to worry about uploading them to the cloud? While it might sound like a tidying up process, setting up PDFelement to automatically sync files between your PC and mobile is actually pretty simple. To get started, open the Preferences window. If you're on Windows, head over to the General tab, while if you're using Mac OS, go to the Document tab. Then just look for the Auto Upload option and turn it on. This will automatically up your files up to 50 megabytes to the cloud in real time, so they're always available in your Sync Files folder, no matter what device you're on. Now that your syncing is fully automated, let's put it to the test. I'll start by making some quick edits on Windows and then save them to the cloud. Then I'll switch to my iOS device to open the same document and check if the changes have synced properly. First, let's open the document on the iOS device to set a reference point. Nothing unusual here, right? Now let's switch over to Windows and make a few changes to see how the syncing works. For this demonstration, I'll use the text comment tool to add a comment. If everything works as it should, we'll see this new comment appear seamlessly on my iOS device. Once everything is set up, I'll save the changes and wait for the document's upload status to update to Upload Success. And that's it. Now let's head back to the iOS device, open the document, and there it is. The update's synced perfectly, just as we expected. I mean, that's pretty simple, isn't it? Now let's turn the tables, syncing updates from iOS to Windows. This time I'll start opening the file on Windows so that we can see how the document looks before making changes from our iOS device. Now that we've had a good look, let's switch to the iOS device. Here I'll use Edit PDF to insert a new text label in the document, adjusting its size and making the changes easy to spot at first glance. Once done, I'll tap the Upload button in the upper left corner of the document to save and sync the changes to the cloud. And that's it. Now back on Windows, I'll head to the PDFelement Document Cloud Hub, click on the refresh button, and then open the document. And just like that, the document is updated and everything works perfectly as we expected. Syncing documents to the cloud is an incredible way to take our work with us wherever we go. It allows us to make edits whenever we need and keeps our document management straightforward and stress-free. But syncing isn't just about editing. Cloud syncing unlocks a fantastic feature we could call view syncing, available on Android version 5 and later, as well as iOS version 5.1 and later. View syncing is all about making our reading and navigation experience seamless. Let's say you're reading a book or skimming through a lengthy report on your iPad in the morning, while you're still at home probably enjoying your breakfast. Then during your commute on a bus or train, for example, you open your document on your Android phone to keep reading, making the most of the time you'd otherwise just be waiting. Finally, when you arrive at the office, you open the document again to finish your reading. And why not start making annotations or edits? It's pretty great, isn't it? Synchronizing our PDFs between all our devices unlocks a whole new world of productivity possibilities. Now, as a final tip I want to share with you today, there's a new feature you should know about: signature and stamp syncing. From now on, every time we create a signature or stamp on our iOS device, we can upload it to the cloud with just one click. This way we can leverage the touch precision of our mobile devices to create high quality signatures and use them later on our desktop devices. So what do you think? Are you ready to give it a shot? Cloud syncing is definitely a game changer, but it's only one of the many powerful features PDFelement brings to the table. With easy editing, robust document security, and advanced PDF management, it's like having your entire office right in your pocket, ready to go whenever and wherever you need it. In the description of this video, I'll leave the link to the official PDFelement website where you can download and try it for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end of this video. If you found this one helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always the first to know when we post something new. I'll keep bringing you tips and tricks to make your work a lot easier. In the meantime, feel free to check out the rest of the videos on the channel. We've got tons of great content to help you manage and edit PDFs like a pro. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.